Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, can I add to the front of my home? Like, if my house faces the street, can I actually go forward closer to the street? Now, I'm going to give you a short answer to this, and then I'm going to explain just a little bit. Usually, the answer is no. Sorry to break your heart. However, that said, the reason is that usually your house is built with the front of the home already being as close to the street as possible. That's because think about where your sewer line and water lines and electrical have to come from. They come from the street. So in order to minimize that length of pipe and wire, they put the house as close to the street as possible. Makes sense, right? Now, in the event that there are other houses on your street, or you have a piece of your house that protrudes out towards the street, that is structure, not a carport, like a full built garage or something like that, or a porch, you may be able to move towards the street to the extent that that piece of your house is towards the street. Now, if you have neighbors that are closer to the street than you, that is a very good indicator that you can get your house as close to the street as they are. Outside of that, I'll say that I would get some professional consultation before you go and build a big plan based on adding towards the street. We've seen it a lot where people will actually buy full-on architectural design and get a fully blown architectural plan done adding towards the street, and then we actually go to permit this thing and it can't be done. So luckily, because we know that designs that we do at homeLove.construction/design, we don't usually run into that, because we just, as a rule, we say we don't typically add towards the street. Now, obviously, there's exceptions to that rule, and there's situations where you can do it. So if you're in a situation where you can do that, it's fine. But typically, you're not going to be able to do that. So you should plan on going to the back or side of your home. So that said, I am going to do a video on what structural setbacks are. This is another important thing for you to know. So be sure you go to our channel and subscribe so you can see what structural setbacks are and how those are also going to impact where you place your addition massively. I also did a video on where to put a room addition, so go and check that out, because it's going to help you to come up with an idea of, okay, where would be the perfect place to put this thing around my house. Now, that said, if you need help designing this, we can help you. You can go to homeLove.construction/design, and we can help you start your room addition or custom home build design right now. So go there and let's get started right now. Thank you for watching this vid. I do appreciate your attention. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.